Hello guys, welcome to another video, and we're gonna be playing. You guys can just read it yourself. I already beat the levels, and I can't beat the campaign, so we're gonna be doing some scenarios. There's fighter defense, bomber run, and flank attack. Now, it's also a custom scenario. Here this, but this is a World War One based game with the air battle, of course, Germany versus the Allies, the British, and we'll be doing bomb and run first. And I already unlocked this plane and that plane, and then we're on this one so far. And well, it's a bomb and run, so I'm gonna play as a bomber. So yeah, you know. Alright, so I'm not gonna play as a fighter because fighter. It's not called a fighter run, it's called a bomb and run. So, oh, 3 kills. Shoot them down! The Germans are coming. Alright, here we go. You get that one? Dang it, we both failed. Alright, we got that one down. Oh no! Kill them all! Dang it. Guys, so I'm gonna do. Excuse me. Oh! I just dropped a bomb on him. Pull up. Whoa, whoa, whoa. He's gonna kill me. Bomb him right now. Bomb him right now. Bomb them right now. And I failed my mission. Or did I? You must take out the last tank before we're done with the mission. Okay. So here we go. We don't want to stay too close to the ground. Oh yeah, you can't land in this game. If you touch the ground, you must be dead, and I won. What? There's more? No. It can't be true. I almost died. My engine has been shot. What am I supposed to do? I only can drop bombs. Oh no, he's not with my bombs. Here we go. It's up to me now. I did it. Now too. Oh my god. I think I can kill both of them in one shot, but I'm not gonna be able to deal with another bomb. Oh wait, another bomb. Keep up. No. All right. So now we gotta do scenarios. Fighter defense. Now, is there any bombers in here? No. There's a tank, but I'll play as a tank as well. This is my best plane, so let's go. No! Come on, guys! Fight with me! My squad and I will fight for the country! The British Empire! Alright. No! Sorry, guys, my tablet almost died. Now, back again. Oh no! Alright. I did it! We killed the bombers and we won. Next scenario is flank attack, and we're gonna be doing well, if there's a bomber, I like playing bombers in this game, but I'm only on my own. No, I hate playing black turrets. When you're not black turrets are made to die by bombers, not fighters. Now, wow. No! Don't kill me, please! Huh? Watch out. Pull up! I died. Well, I tried my best. Well, I don't know if you guys can hear that, but the neighbor's dog is barking. It's loud. Alright, guys. So I don't know. Now, let's do, I guess that's kind of it. Well, if you guys like this, I'll make another video on it, but let's see.